So this lesson we need to talk about relationships in a database before we start actually using something called the Fluent API in the .NET Core NT framework, where we are actually going to try and work with creating these relations between our tables. Now we're going to go all the way down into the data layer, of course, and we're going to there start working with entities and making them relate to each other. But what are we actually trying to achieve? That's the first thing we need to kind of figure out, right? In my case, I have a video, and a video should have a single genre right now. I might add multiple genres later, but for now, let's just keep it a single genre. So a video will have one genre, and a genre can be inside multiple videos. Now, the way you read these diagrams right here is if you read them by the line, right? So I say a video needs to have one genre, right? And a genre can be in 0 to many videos. So that's kind of the relationship we want to build in the code using the Fluent API. Now there's another thing we need to consider, and that's actually how things would be put inside an actual table. And that's what I have a small example of right here. For instance, if this is the video right here, the one hanging above the video, and this is the genre, the one hanging above the genre, then these guys will relate by adding a genre ID on the video. Because in a relational table, you are not able to, for instance, say, here are all the video IDs. Actually, you are able to, but it's not something that people want you to do. So we cannot go in and say, here's all the video IDs, it's 1, 2, and here, down here, we only use video ID 1 because this is breaking one of the normal forms when we work in relational tables. So we should never have this column right here with video IDs. Instead, when we work relational tables, we should actually just have the genre ID here that maps to this table right here. And then if I need to get video 1, Scary Man, I know it's a horror flick, because we have genre ID 1, which maps or relates to this table right here and this specific row right here. And the same with the Singer Boy, he has a genre ID 2, so it's a comedy, so he relates to this table right here. So we need the genre ID in our entity in order to make the relation. And that's what we're going to do next lesson. We're going to try now to take this knowledge right here on how our database should look using this small database diagram, and we're going to put that into the code by adding a couple of properties in our video entity, and then we'll create these relations automatically. That's it for this lesson. See you next time. Bye.